Hello everyone, I am Jackie.
Hello everyone, I am Shihab.
Hello everyone, I am Sarah. Hello everyone, I am Asman Husna.
I study in a school and the name of my school is Dinajpur Collectorate School and College.
Our classrooms are very beautiful.
We have a big playground where we play, run and jump. Every morning we join the assembly.
We have wooden desks where we put books and bags.
Our teachers write on the whiteboard.
We have a rich library of different books.
We get good foods from our school canteen.
We get important notices from the notice board.
Our teachers are very friendly and we respect them very much.
A large number of students study in our school. My school friends are very helpful to each other.
And
This is our school. আমাদের ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে এক চাপুন
No.
Subscribe করুন।
Yeah.